Hi traders, before you download any crypto wallet like Binance, Trust Wallet, Exodus, Bybit and the rest, you have to first understand the difference between CEFI and DEFI crypto wallets to know the best option for you to use. You can see what happened to Patricia users. They just woke up one day, boom, all the funds in their wallet is gone. They changed their money to tokens which cannot be used or spent. This is because Patricia is operating on a CEFI platform. Now you'll be wondering the meaning of CEFI and DeFi platform. Calm down, let me explain. And make sure you watch this video to the end because it's going to help you make a good decision in the crypto space. Now, CEFI means centralized finance, which means this platform has a total control over your crypto assets and private keys. The main reason why people use the CEFI platform is because of the security they provide for your crypto and also trading services like spot trading, future trading, P2P and the rest. If there is any unexpected shutdown or hack, there is every possibility of losing your funds, or you get a negative report on any transaction made on CEFI platform. Whether true or not, there are chances that they can block your account or seize your assets for further investigation, which is scary because lots of people have lost their assets this way. Examples of CEFI platform are Binance, Blockchain, Bybit, KuCoin, Coinbase, which are the major ones. Now for DeFi or decentralized platform like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Exodus and the rest, you have the total control over your crypto security. You can log into your DeFi wallet with your recovery key at any time to withdraw or to do any crypto transaction. The issue is that you are your own security. If you lose your recovery key, your funds are gone. If you're a beginner in the crypto space, you want to save crypto or you want to buy and sell for people, it's better you use the DeFi wallet. Because if you use CEFI wallet, many of the transactions, you don't know where they are coming from. And if there is a negative report, that's to say the funds in your wallet is at risk. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational purpose. Save this video, you might be needing it later. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, ProbabaTv, for more updates on crypto and forex. What are you waiting for? Let's milk it.